Yes, my room is messy. Are we going to bring it up? No. Okay, thank you. I know it's been a while, but I'm still alive. I'm still thriving, just very busy. But I thought I would show you guys what I have spent my money on for my 2 cruises coming up, which I will be vlogging. How exciting! I really miss daily vlogging. I did it for like 5 days during Tennessee, and those were super fun to make, but I'm really excited for these cruises. So I thought I would show you everything I've accumulated over the past few months, and the things I've bought specifically for this trip. Mainly clothes and a few shoes and things like that, but I think we're going to start with Shein. This is a black box I bought from Shein. I'll show you what they look like. These are some basic black strappy heels because the heels I really love, which are also from Shein, are super, super big and they're not really ideal for packing, so I wanted a smaller heel. So most clothes from Shein come in this bag right here, and this is a sweater, skirt, co-ord set, and it kind of gives me like Chanel vibes. That's why I went with it. I don't know if I'll wear it because the material does kind of come off pretty easy, but it's super cute actually. So I think this is the skirt. This is the front of the skirt. It's just got like this like black and white knit and faux fur down at the bottom. Looks like this. I don't know if you can see it well enough, but it's got the fur. Ooh, it's so soft. Next up, we have some black and white pants. These are really fun because I've never worn pants with slits before. This is the front of the pants. They're black and white all the way down. This is like the waistband, and it's got an opening. Another pair of pants that I bought that I'm not sure I'm going to wear because the quality is kind of crappy are these white and red pants. They don't have a slit, but they've got this cool like string that you can tie on your waist, make it tight. But they're just kind of like loose pants. They have pockets in the front, unlike the other pair. Now this is something I'm really excited about. It is a faux leather skirt, and it looks and fits really well. My kitten's trying to get into my closet. This is my kitten. This is how she's doing. She's so cute. This is the faux leather skirt. What's cool is it's got like this button at the top and then a zipper that comes all the way down. I also bought 2 white crop tops from Shein, but I'm not showing you them because I'm too lazy to get up, but they're just plain black crop tops. This is one of the dresses I bought. It is this plain black, like crisscross, I guess, spaghetti strap dress. The next one is kind of just like the dress before. You won't really see what it's supposed to look like until it's really on my body, but this is this pink and white dress. It's got a cutout in the stomach and it's got over the shoulder sleeves. This one is a really, really cute kind of casual dress. It's got these long elastic straps and the body is just this red, black, and white, and it's got these pieces at the side that you can tie in the front. This I got from Boohoo, but I'm counting it as Shein because this is the only Boohoo item I bought that fit me. But it is the super cute dress. I'm sure you guys have seen it like with this like V in the front, and it's got like wire so it'll stay put, which is really nice. And again, it's got some ties on the side. This one has a lot, so you can kind of tie it in the front once again. I forgot my phone stops recording at 10 minutes, and I was rambling and rambling trying to finish the video, and it wasn't recording. I showed you all the stuff from Shein, I think, so we're going to move on to Tilly's. They had a really good sale on jean shorts going on, and that's what I really needed, so I bought 3 pairs, and I bought some tops because they were really, really cheap. But I'll show you the shorts first. I have these red shorts from RSQ size 0, 0. They're sunset high rise in red, and I got another pair in that style, but this is more of like a gray, and it's got some distressed some distressed pattern to it. And I think they kind of have the same cut. They're just in different colors. And these are actually girls size. So they're girls size 12. RSQ Hampton midi, yeah, midi, because they're a longer short. And this is what they look like. And then I just got these 2 tank tops that were really cheap. I feel like this would look really good with the gray shorts. And then I've got this hot pink halter top. Just looks like that. Nasty Gal, I paid for 2 shoes. These I'm totally not bringing on my cruise because they're freaking huge, but they're just to replace the boots that broke on me. And look at these monsters. I kind of hate, kind of love them, so but a pair of shoes I'm really excited to bring on my cruise, especially for the formal nights and everything in between. These are mine. This is what they look like. They're kind of like half sock, half hard. I don't really know how to explain it. Like there's 2 different textures going on. And I've got this small thick heel. Those are my shoes. What else? Oh, from Walt Disney World, I got this backpack from Animal Kingdom. This keychain on the side right here came on it, and this keychain came separately, but I bought it in the same store, but I just attached it on my own. Well, if I haven't forgotten anything, then this is the end of the video, so thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm sorry for being gone. I've just been very busy, but again, what's new? Stay tuned for May and August for some vlogs on my cruises, and that's it for now. Follow me on Instagram at DallyCallie, and I'll see you later. Bye! I know, it's me again, but there's something on my lip, and it's been there, I think, for the entire video, so please... I'm kind of embarrassed, but I don't feel like refilming that entire video. So I almost forgot to show you the most important thing that I bought, which is this brand new suitcase from Vince Caputo, but it's got 4 wheels and it's got really nice features, and I'm really excited to bring this on my cruise in May. Oh, she's so beautiful.